Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to make Jamaican fried dumplings out of just all-purpose flour and baking powder. Okay, I don't know the exact measurements, but I'm using a 1/2 cup scoop. So I'm going to put about maybe, I don't know, almost 1.5 cups of flour. And for the baking powder, I'm going to use about this much. Okay, now we're gonna add the water, a little at a time, not too much. And we don't add that much baking powder because the baking powder is gonna make it rise, but if the traditional dumplings are supposed to be hard, not fluffy like a biscuit. So that's why we don't add that much. So we're basically gonna make it like a doughy consistency. This is actually perfect because you don't want it to be too wet. And here's a little tip. When the dough gets about like that, put a little water in your hand, and grab the dough, and you can work it like this without actually over saturating the dough with water. So then you want to kind of make it into a ball. And because you're using baking powder, it doesn't have to rise. You don't need to rest or anything. This is a little wet, so I'm going to add a little bit of flour to it. Okay, that's the consistency you want. Want it to be like a dough ball, basically. All right, then when you're done, you're just basically gonna break it off, and then you're gonna roll it into little balls, almost like this, but flatten it out, kind of like a disc. It's a little wet, so I'm gonna add some more flour, and then when you make the little balls, it's gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna flour it a little bit more. And you wanna just kind of roll it in the flour like that. So that when you roll it like this, you kind of roll it and smash it. Not too much, though, kind of cradle it to look like that. Okay, into a pan, put it on about medium, add some oil into it just to cover the bottom of the pan, like that. All right, you want to get the oil hot, but not too hot. And then a quick trick is to see if the oil is hot. A lot of people add water, but it can splash up and hurt you. So if you add salt in it, and you do that, you know it's hot, and it's way safer. It's not gonna pop off on you and shoot up on you. So yep, just add them to the pan. Add a little bit of salt. And we'll check back in a few minutes. So yeah, what you're looking for is the bottom to get golden brown like that. So it's time to flip it. And then again, add a little salt to it. Okay, so it looks like it's golden brown on this side too. Now the thing with Jamaican dumplings is you gotta cook them on all sides. So you wanna put it up on the side like this to make sure it cooks evenly. And then you're gonna keep rotating until all sides are golden brown. All right, so these are pretty much done. It's baked on all the sides. I should say golden brown on all the sides, that's it. Turn off the pot and just take them out of the pan. Careful because they're hot. So add a little salt, and that is a fried Jamaican dumpling. That's how it's made. Thanks for watching.